Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is antisense therapy. As our previous session, I have told you about the oligonucleotide sequences and how to do we treatment uh, with oligonucleotides, small kind of oligonucleotide sequences, and angiotherapy. And now today I have told you about. So this is the diagram here showing balance between inhibitory factors and the angiogenetic factor, which is VGGF and VFGF. So, and how to angiogenetic factors stimulate MPPS and plasminogen activators and degradation of basement membranes and invasion of differentiation of endothelial cells in surrounding tissues. So in tumor cells, how do these factors uh, affected to the antisense therapy and immunotherapy? These factors have some kind of specific roles to provide some signals supporting cells, and how do they have respond, and how do they have shows their role in translate our proteins. So here is showing in this diagram target cells and class of agent and selective drugs and blocking matrix breakdown. In MPPS, UPA system works, Ukrainase and plasmin inhibitors, and these drugs is selected for these systems. Inhibition endothelial cell proliferation and endothelial cell survival, VEGF signaling and PDGF signaling for small nucleus, FTIF inhibitor, and plasminogen and collagen others for angiogenesis inhibitor, and integrins for this inhibitor. So these are the targets as per showing in this diagram. So these are the targets, and these are the class of agent, and these are the selective drugs for treatment for particular these target sequences as per shows the P20, P53 based on the cancer sequence. So if we have got in sequence, if we have isolated some problem in kind of P53 sequences, so we have using TP53 gene therapy. So then we have provide these drug INGN 201 for particular these therapy. So in this in antigen therapy, we have first of all we have to identify particular location of the genes, the target genes as per showing in like cancer is as a P53 gene we have isolated. In this gene we have found P53 gene is the defective gene. So now we have found our target gene. Now we have find out the class of agents. So the class of that means we have to find the which kind of therapy we have to provide in this disease. So then we have select the particular drug for providing this particular disease and particular for this treatment. MMPIS, disappointing result with the matrix proteases inhibitor and poor survival rate in the phase 3 clinical trials against renal cell chronicles. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.